Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain about Jain Council and Jain literature. So let's start with Jain Council. So Jain Council had happened only two times. So we have only two Jain Council, first and second. So first Jain Council happened at Patliputra and chairman was Sthulbhadra and patron Chandragupta Maurya. So result compilation of 12 Anga. Okay. So first Jain Council 300 BC, venue Patliputra, chairman Sthulbhadra, patron Chandragupta Maurya, compilation of 12 Anga. This is very important. Time 300 BC, venue is also important. Patliputra, chairman Sthulbhadra, patron Chandragupta Maurya, result compilation of 12 Anga. All are important. Second Jain Council 512 AD, venue Ballabhi, chairman Devradhi, and patron was also Devardhi, and result final compilation of 12 Anga and 12 Upanga. So these are short points about Jain Council, so we must keep remember this. Next is Jain literature. The sacred literature of the Shwetambar is written in a type of Prakritik called Ardh-Maghi Prakritik and may be classified as follow: 12 Anga, Upanga, 12 Anga, 12 Upanga, 10 Parikrama, 6 Chedi Sutra, 4 Malu Sutra, and 2 Sutra Grantha. So the important point is it is written in which language? So Prakritik language, also called Maghi Prakritik. Okay, so these are language is important, and another, if we are able to remember, then we can keep remember 12 Anga, 12 Upanga, 10 Parikrama, 12 12 10 6 4 2. Okay, so 12 Anga, 12 Upanga, 10 Parikrama, then 6 Ched Sutra, 4 Malu Sutra, 2 Sutra Grantha. Now last is Purva and Parva. It is the part of 12 Anga and oldest text of Mahavira preaching. So can say Anga was the oldest text of Mahavira preaching. Besides this, the important Jain texts are Kalp Sutra written in Sanskrit. Okay, so above the above Jain, like what I have explained about, I think 6 Jain literature, 12 Anga, 12 Upanga, 10 Parikrama, 6 Ched Sutra, 4 Malu Sutra, and 6 Sutra Grantha. Apart from this, uh, we have some other important text which is written in Sanskrit and some other language. Let's see in Sanskrit. Kalp Sutra written in Sanskrit and written by Bhadra Bahu, and Bhadra Bahu Charitra Parisista Parvan written by Hemchandra. So Kalp Sutra, one of the Jain texts written in Sanskrit, written by Bhadra Bahu. Another is Bhadra Bahu Charitra, and one last is Parisista Parvan written by Hemchandra. Parisista Parvan written by Hemchandra. Kalp Sutra in Sanskrit written by Bhadra Bahu, and Bhadra Bahu Charitra and Parisista Parvana. So these are the Jain literature. In next video I will explain about sect of Jainism. Thank you.